Ready? I see him. Alright.
Oh, what is going on?
No, it's my song. You're just the backup. Turkeys, cows, and chickens are very good to eat.
Yeah, what?
Wait, oh yeah. Cows and chickens. What? Very best meat. Oh yeah, to provide the very best meat. Turkeys, cows, and chickens, and sometimes pork. Turkeys, cows, and chickens
Oh,
are
very good to eat, especially with a fork.
Yeah. All right, now let's be for real.
That was only 48 seconds though.
This came out of my head. This came up in my head on the walk to Aunt Lori's house, and I just started singing because I was thinking of turkeys, cows, and chickens. So yeah, and then I was telling Aunt Lori that I'm going to go to the meat pharmacy thing, and I'm going to sing them my song. And I said, "Hey, I got a new slogan for you: turkeys, Man, I'm just like Kevin Hart. Oh, that right there. That rocks in my song.
I know where she goes. I'm rhyming over here, and I'm not high, but I know how to bust a flow because of something else. And I was like, Jackie, what
I was thinking, man, I think people think I'm high, but I'm not even high. I'm just singing. Oh man, this thing rhymes. So I gotta go off like this, and this better not go on Facebook.
It's going on Facebook.
Anyways, all right, let's turn around and put on a show like this.
I got some retarded sisters, Dad.
Let's go. We have to do our dance like this. Turkeys, cows, and chickens. Alright. Turkeys, cows, and chickens are very good to eat. Turkeys, cows, and chickens provide the very best meat. Turkeys, cows, and chickens, and also sometimes pork. Turkeys, cows. Oh wait! What pork? You got a shark. Turkeys, cows, and chickens. Okay. Did you get yourself a fork? How did you get to? Alright, let's start over.
Turn around.
Fresh.
Turn around.
Alright. Turkeys, cows, and chickens. I gotta finish. Alright. This is the rock and roll version, like this. Turkey! Turkey! I'm very good to eat. They provide the very best meat. Oh yeah! And then sometimes pork is also good when you eat it with a fork. This is the little pussies.
Well, you need to do your rap.
Oh yeah. Fresh word, turkeys, cows, and chicken. What is it? I'm very good.
Stop it,
to eat.
EJ.
Oh yeah. Turkeys, cows, and chickens provide the very best meat. You don't say. Turkeys, cows, and chickens, and also sometimes pork. They are especially good when you eat them with a fork. That's my rap for busted a logo.
You know this is going on YouTube?